product to review. I have AirPods. So someone's sending me to review this product. So yeah, I'm gonna try and I will show you unboxing. This you see? Yeah, this is AirPods. QCY TWS Smart AirPods. Yeah, I will show you what's inside. So, yeah, it's made in China. So this is warranty card. And this is the one. This is the QCY AirPods manual, how to use it. It's on this one, and the charger. This one, the charger. This short one only, and yeah, you can charge like that, and then you can plug to the cigarette lighter, or your just like this, the charger, your iPhone or iPad, if you have, just like that. But this one is not including, just like this. So I will show you what's on here. Just like this, just like iPhone AirPods that you can charge inside the case. Oh, it's, I think there is a charge. It's charge. There's a battery in it. I think this is the battery charge. It's the charger. So yeah, we can push this one, or if you can push that, then if it's full, so you can, this is the right AirPods. Oh, I think I have, it's not totally, or my my ear is not totally fit for this one. It's bigger. This one is bigger. This one, the buds, is bigger than my ear. I don't have big hole of my ear. So this one, like that. But I'm not totally trust that it's gonna be like stick on it, because you see, it's not fit for my ear. So yeah, this one is the charging case, guys. This is totally, I think this one is not expensive. So this is the review for me. So right now I'm getting pairing to my phone. If it's easy to connect. So Bluetooth, pairing. Okay, QCYT7. That's the pairing. That's the name of the Bluetooth. So, oh, it's quick, and then it's full. It's so quick. Oh my God, it's quick. It's quick connect. So this is the one that I like, these AirPods, because it's so quick. You're not gonna be waiting for an hour or just 1 minute, 2 minutes. It's quick connect, quick pairing. So So this QZYTZ. Yeah. QZYTZ. This is how it is. So it's quick and then it's full charge. They sent me for full charge. So yeah guys, I think it's, you like this one if you want to buy, you know, but you need to, if you're not used to it, that just like wireless AirPods, make it sure that you keep and check on it if maybe it's full or what. If you like this product, you can click down below in the description. I will put it, the QCY TWS AirPods. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell button. Yeah, bye bye.